welcome to Chris Cook for You Too. It's warm here in Virginia. This is the perfect time to have a nice cold drink, and have I got one for you. Today we're going to be making guava tropical splash. Here's what you need to make this delicious drink on a real summer hot day. You're going to need ginger ale, green grapes, seedless green grapes, strawberries, nectarine, apple, this is a granny apple, lime, lemon, pineapple chunks, and you're going to need guava nectar. Now this is sold in your local grocery store, preferably Walmart, but you want the nectar, so you want to make certain that you get guava nectar. So I'm going to go away, I'm going to cut up my berries and cut up my fruit, and I'll be right back and put together this 5-minute drink. Now I do have some sugar sitting off to the side. That's just in case it's not sweet enough for you. So I'll go away and I'll be right back. Okay, now we're back, and this drink only takes about 5 minutes, so we're ready to put it together. But before I do, I want to show you something. The way, for those of you who don't know, the way that you get your glass to frost up like that is you just rinse it, don't dry it, and sit it in your freezer for about 5 minutes. Sometimes it does not even take that long, and it'll frost up, and you can see little bits of ice on the outside, and then I did put some ice in the inside in order to keep the drink cold, and I just have a lemon and a lime sitting there. So let's just go ahead and put this together. So I'm going to take the nectar from 2 cans, and these are just regular cans, which is 11-ounce cans, but they're like the regular drinking cans. And I'm going to go ahead and add the nectar. Now, once I've added the nectar, then I'm going to go ahead and add all of the fruit that I have. And this is my can of pineapple chunks with the juice. Now, what I did was I took a toothpick and I just went ahead and I took some of the fruit that's inside of here, and inside of my picture, and I added it to a toothpick to lay on the top to garnish my glass. So I have the strawberries, the nectarines, lemon, more nectarines, and a piece of pineapple. And you can add anything that you would like to add. These are my seedless grapes. I'm going to go ahead and put them in. And like I said, if you wanted to add some sugar, you can go ahead and add the sugar. And it would be at this point that you would add just a little sugar. Now, the reason why I don't add sugar to the drink right away is because once you add sugar to it, and then when you put your Canada Dry in, it's going to foam up. And it may overflow because it has sugar in it. Now, I didn't put enough in there to get that effect, but that's normally what it would do. So now you will go ahead and add your Canada Dry. See how it's foaming? It wouldn't foam that much if I had not put that sugar in. So I'm just going to slowly fill this. Now, this is good when it's warm outside. It's real warm. Say, for instance, you want to sit in your backyard or on your porch, you want to do anything. This would be a nice tropical beverage in order for you to enjoy. Now, of course, I will put the ingredients at the bottom, but you can use any fruit that you want to use. And actually, you can use any nectar that you want to use. So if you don't like guava nectar, then you can just go ahead and use a different type. And they do sell peach nectar, apricot nectar, all types of nectar. Now everything is ready for this delicious drink. It only takes like about 5 minutes to make, especially once you go ahead and cut up your fruit. Then you're pretty much all the way home. Alrighty. That's all we need to do. Then you're going to go ahead and put your top on whatever container it is that you're using. And now I'm going to go ahead and pour up a glass full. Like I said, don't add the sugar, and then you won't get that foam. There you have it. And there you have it. That's what it looks like. I just wanted to bring you a drink that I think is refreshing for this time of year. Like I said, it is very hot outside. This is the perfect drink. It's the Guava Tropical Splash. I think that if you try it, you're going to truly, truly enjoy it. And as always, thank you for watching. Chris Cook for you too. Bye.